You nincompoops!
Excuse me, your viciousness. You already said that.
Then allow me to repeat myself yet again. You are nincompoops! How am I ever going to get rid of Sonic with such unreliable help?
Hello? You in there? Hello? Hello? How are you? How are you? How are you? Why, how are you? Why, how are you? Why, how are you? Wes Weasley's the name. Seven's the game. You got it. Don't got it? I'll get it. Sorry about that, palsy. Better have that look down. You say you need reliable help? Well, say no more. Friend, look no further, go no farther, because I represent the HDSVADL company. That's right, HDSVADL. With my gadgets, your problem is solved! Even with Stoopniks.
I don't like this guy.
Me neither.
Obnoxious, pushy, rude. Then you dress funny. You're my kind of guy.
We love him!
What have you got? You got?
To catch a pesky groundhog?
Hedgehog! 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 Sonic the Hedgehog! Hedgehog!
I'm way ahead of you, friend. Presenting the HDSVADL Darkinator! Where there's light, there won't be for long with the Darkinator. Let me show you how it works. Hey, who turned out the lights?
I'm scared of the dark. Hold me!
Get off of me, you chicken-hearted robo-clown!
Oh!
What's that noise?
Okay, enough free demonstration. What do you think?
I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it.
Kids, it's Robo-Dude, the kid's best friend. He cleans up your room and does all your chores while you're out having fun. Cleans up your room and does all your chores while you're out having fun. Don't be a dud, get a dude! Robo-Dude! Only $9.98. Plus batteries, cleaning attachments, program chips, remote control, storage unit, dust filter, wax dispenser, and disposable trash bags. That's only $99.98.
What's that noise?